Welcome back to another spooky tale. This story is not of ghosts or goblins, but of a different kind of monster. One born of dampness and despair, a beast that grows in the unseen corners of a home. This is the story of the monster on top of your bed. The year was 2004. A time when Florida was overwhelmed by a triple threat of hurricanes, Charlie, Francis, and Jean. Few homes escaped the wrath of the storms. Mr. O, a retired professional athlete, was one of the lucky ones. His house survived the winds, but a new, more sinister evil crept in. Humidity settled over his home, turning into a swampy tomb. Vents dripped with condensation, and a slimy black mildew began to spread across the walls. Mr. O called a local HVAC company who sent over a dedicated professional who was determined to solve the horrifying mystery. But the house itself seemed to be working against him. The vents were in impossible to reach places, including one directly above Mr. O's colossal king-size bed. Still, the tech worked tirelessly, cleaning the mildew and trying to fight the relentless moisture. One day, the HVAC technician was over, and Mr. O turned a corner and saw it. Out of the corner of his eye, a massive shape, a monster that was 10 feet tall. His blood ran cold. His heart stopped. He spun back to confront the towering monster, his mind racing through a list of all the terrible things that could be in his home. But when he finally faced it, he was met with the most unexpected sight. The HVAC technician was standing on Mr. O's bed. It was a silly error. The tech, now looking like a giant, was perched on the bed, meticulously cleaning the mildew from the high-up vent. He wore shoe covers, but that was little comfort to Mr. O, who had just faced a towering monster in his own home. Even if it was just a trick of his eyes, the real monster was invisible. The humidity occurring within his home. Humidity can lead to major problems, including poor air quality, food going totally rotten, and the other dreaded M word, mold. To prevent a similar terror from creeping into your home, take control of the humidity, and to remember to install a properly sized HVAC system, not one that's too big. Install a supplemental dehumidifier, use exhaust fans in your kitchen and bathroom, and seal your home tightly, especially around your windows and lighting fixtures. You never know what kind of monsters might be lurking in the shadows of your home, or simply standing on your bed. Kalos Services offers maintenance plans to ensure that your HVAC system is running correctly. We can also make sure that your home is sealed correctly and that your HVAC unit is sized properly to your home. So just give us a call because no one wants that humid monster in their home.